Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we're looking at the other database services that AWS has because there's just a few loose ones here. So let's talk about Redshift. So it is a petabyte-sized data warehouse, and data warehouses are for online analytical processing, OLAP. And data warehouses can be expensive because they are keeping data hot, meaning that they can run a very complex query and a large amount of data and get that data back very fast. So when you need to quickly generate analytics or reports from a large amount of data, you're going to be using Redshift. Then you have Elasticache. So this is a managed database of an in-memory and caching open source databases such as Redis or Memcache. So when you need to improve the performance of an application by adding a caching layer in front of your web servers or database, you're going to be using Elasticache. Then you have Neptune. This is a managed graph database. The data is represented as interconnected nodes. I believe that it uses Gremlin as the way to interface with it, which is no surprise because that's what it looks like most cloud service providers are using. So when you need to understand the connections between data, so mapping fraud rings or social media relationships, very relational database heavy information, you're going to want to use Neptune. We have Amazon Time Streams. It's a fully managed time series database. So think of devices that send lots of data that are time sensitive, such as IoT devices. So when you need to measure how things change over time. We have Amazon Quantum Ledger Database. This is a fully managed ledger database that provides transparent, immutable, cryptographically variable transaction logs. So when you need to record a history of financial activities that can be trusted. And the last one here is Database Migration Service, DMS. It's not a database per se, but it's a migration service. So you can migrate from on-premise database to AWS, from two databases in different or same AWS accounts using different SQL engines, and from an SQL to a NoSQL database. And I'm pretty sure we cover this in a bit greater detail in this course, okay?